May your lordship, I beg to mention item number 15 for on behalf of,
15.
yes, your lordship, on behalf of Mr. M. Chanda for number 5, your lordship. This matter may be listed on 6th of November, your lordship, after puja break, 6th November,
Respondent number
5.
on 6th.
Yes, your lordship, on 6th of November, obliged.
May, my lord. My lord, I beg to mention item number 11. On behalf of number 5 and 6. And from other side, my lord, this matter may be listed after 3 weeks.
After 3 weeks.
Yes, my lord.
Hmm.
Much of that.
My lord, I would like to mention item number 31, my lord. I am from the petition side, my lord.
Item number
Item number 31, my lord.
31.
Yes, my lord. I am from the petition side, my lord. I am taking
You are
concern.
for the petitioner side.
Yes, my
Your name?
TK Gaur. Pramod Kumar Gaur.
Hmm.
Yes, my lord.
Only one?
After
After
vacation.
3
my lord.
weeks.
Yes, my lord. After vacation.
What vacation? Who's that vacation?
Yes, my lord.
During puja vacation.
I am taking concern on the other side, my lord.
Which consent?
Obliged.
May lordship, I beg to mention item number 10, lordship.
10.
10, yes. Leading counsel here, lordship. He is out of station.
You are for
Petitioner, your lordship.
petitioner. Your name?
Tau Tarin T. Tau Tarin.
With consent, na?
With consent here. Lord. The matter may be listed after puja vacation, your lordship. Obliged.
Criminal petition. Is it urgent? Huh?
I'll take only 2 weeks.
Unlisted matter. All right. 2 o'clock.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13 and 14. Matter may be taken up after puja break.
After vacation.
Yes.
Your name?
S. Yirang. In item number 13 for the petitioner.
S.
S. Yirang.
Have you informed the other side?
Yes.
Informed.
Yes.
Your lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, matter may be possible for time being since the leading
So like after some time?
Lordship.
After some time.
Lordship, this is service matter. What has happened is that, Lordship, I was appointed in the post of LDC 2001. Thereafter, I continue a service during 2000.
Initially, you were appointed as
Initially, I was appointed in the post of LDC.
Okay, okay.
LDC.
LDC.
Lordship, I'm sorry, on last occasion,
Hmm.
instruction was sought for.
Hmm.
But since the extra copy was not furnished, it has been furnished today. So let it come in some other day.
Lordship, kindly see the annexure 3, Lordship, for retrospective effect.
No, all right. You have not furnished a copy of the petition to the other side.
We will provide it.
How he can obtain instructions?
I have to ask. We'll provide. Yeah.
You provide, but how he can immediately obtain instructions
We have received just now.
as per the last order?
I'm sorry. I have
Huh?
to
You obtain.
No, I was an impression my friend.
Huh?
I was in an impression my friend had served. the
What's
office.
this? So and so, non-legal. Also, so and so for the respondent side. It is submitted that a copy of the petition has not been furnished to the learned counsel for the respondent, for which he has been able to obtain the required instructions for order dated 25/9/2023. Mr. So and then learning counsel for the petitioner submits the copy will be provided learning counsel for the respondent side today. You furnish a copy, huh? In the course of the day. Please, after 2 weeks.
Please, my lord. My lord, matter pertaining to the transport, whereby my lord, while I am serving as a my lord post, sub postmaster, I have been transferred from
As you were serving as.
sub postmaster.
Okay.
And I have been, yes, my lord, transferred from Pasigat to Alo. That transfer order was passed on 5/9/2025 or 23, my lord. So, my lord, against this transfer order, I have filed a representation on 8/9/23 by my lord with the two ground that my retire is going to, my superannuation is going to be fall on 24 of the 31st June 2024, meaning my lord,
One year.
yes, I am at the bars of the, I am at the, my lord, last leg posting. Secondly, my lord, since my wife is also posting together at my place, so in these two ground, I was sought for the retention, but my representation was disposed by the, my lord, authority on 21st of the 21st of the September 2023. Thereby, my lord, they have denied. On 21st.
On what ground denied? What are the reasons cited?
My lord may kindly come to the, without citing any reason, my lord, my lord may kindly come to the page number 22. My lord, got it, annexure BA. Your request cannot be entertained at this moment. You have to join your place. That must only my lord. Yes, my lord, my representation was placed before the authority on 8th of that month, my lord. And now, my lord, subsequent issue. So, my lord, since I was expecting and anticipating for consider my retention, but since the retention has been denied, so I filed this instant writ petition on 24 and accordingly on 25, this was more. Now, in consequence to this writ petition, what had happened, my lord? I have been put in the, my lord, suspension by the authority by saying that why you should not comply with the order passed by the authority. On this ground only, my lord, I
In
have
the
been
meantime, you were placed under suspension.
suspension. My lord, may kindly see this suspension was passed on 27, my lord. Okay. So, my lord, in such situation, my lord, since I have been put in suspension, therefore, my lord, at this stage, I will pray this honorable court
Since
for.
This document is yet to be made part of this proceeding.
My lord, that is true, my lord.
You
Exactly.
file an affidavit
That should be.
enclosing therewith a copy of this order.
And my lord, till then, my lord, I am praying for my lord, staying of the
Yes,
Impleadment order.
My lord, as per the instruction, my lord,
Hmm.
this is a sensitive posting place, my lord. He is the only loan officer handling, my lord, that post office, my lord. So it is time bound as per the guideline, my lord. The one officer has to move in any case, my lord, even after the expiry of my lord. And moreover, my lord, his case has not been considered as because after the, my lord, the transfer order issued, he refused to move. When he reliever my lord, came to office for my lord, taking over the charges, he don't accept the my lord, the my lord, release, handing and taking over, my lord. Therefore, this subsequent order has been passed as per the instruction, my lord. And there is a gap
But
clear by,
you see, when he submitted a representation to the authority,
my lord.
authority ought to have applied his mind.
My lord, if- my
But
lord,
no ground has been cited, simply rejected. How that can be?
my lord, admittedly, in the representation, my lord, it is not reflected, my lord, by
No,
office
no,
record,
but this is, it ought to have been a speaking
my lord,
order.
admittedly.
Why the representation has been not entered?
My lord, of course, admittedly, my lord, everything has not been mentioned, but my lord, office noting, my lord, there is a procedure for my lord,
That cannot be.
my lord.
That
This has,
cannot be.
the speaking
It does
order
not
is
show that you applied your mind. This is the authority.
correct, my lord. However, my lord,
Simply rejected.
my lord,
How
then
that
in
can
that
be?
case, record may be
No.
called for, my lord.
Bad, no? Thereafter, for non-compliance of this order, he has been placed under suspension.
My lord, this is a sensitive post as per the,
Sensitive, maybe sensitive.
he's the loan officer, my lord.
No.
And regarding, my lord, this transparent posting, my lord,
When he has cited some grounds in support of his representation, you should have considered those grounds reflect, at least give some grounds
my lord, he has already overstayed there, my lord.
over all life.
My lord,
Understood your point,
my lord,
but those grounds were not cited.
admittedly.
So for the time being,
My lord, difficulty is other party has already joined, my lord. The respondent number 3 here.
I don't know, that other party is not before me.
My lord, other party, respondent number 3, my lord. He
Hmm.
has joined, my lord.
How that can be?
And regarding my lord, joint posting,
Usually we do not stay
my lord,
because transfer is the incident of service. We do not do it. But this is an exception. He is retiring in the month of August next year.
Right.
And as per guidelines, person should not be an incumbent, should not be transferred.
my lord,
It is a
guideline,
principle, but it is not followed.
my lord, guideline NS by the petitioner is also of the my lord, the state of Arunachal Pradesh, not the,
Where he is now. This
At
petition
Pasigat, I am at Pasigat, my lord.
in a original place
Original place, my lord.
with suspension order.
Yeah.
With suspension order.
Yes,
You
my
are now out of the office.
my lord. So in such situation, my lord,
Then
this-
again, there is another problem that person being under suspension, how he can be allowed
Transport,
to
my lord.
work in the same station now.
but
Yes,
see, till the operation of the suspension, my lord,
Immediately you are placed on
suspension is
because
very clear
they
that, my lord,
they have made it complicated. File affidavit.
my lord, let them file
Let
affidavit.
them file affidavit.
Yes.
our
One
affidavit,
week.
by
I
one
dispose it of.
My lord, operation of this transfer order be, my lord, stay. In the meantime, my lord,
Wait, after 1 week, matter will again come up next week.
so let it, my lord, on.
See, he's-
12,
Wait.
let it go
wait,
on
wait,
12.
wait.
my lord.
There was not even time limit.
Well.
No time was fixed. But he is suspended for non-compliance. After how many days?
My lord,
After how many days of this rejection order, you were suspended?
on suspension order is 27, my lord.
suspension order was passed on 27. And
Yeah, you file.
My lord,
Next week,
my lord,
11,
my lord, 12, my lord, 12, my lord.
12
My-
only. Hard change. You were Moody, na?
yes, my
I still remember you. C Moody,
my lord.
Kaptu. You were CCC,
My lord, deputy solicitor,
CCC, DSGI
my lord,
means
deputy solicitor, my lord.
oh, Deputy DSGI.
For respondent number 1 and 2, my lord.
For respondent number one. Who is respondent number two then?
3 is my lord private respondent.
Notice serve or not?
My lord, the step has taken,
Huh?
step already taken, and it's awaiting, my lord.
Where is the office note? Where is the office note? Step. Where is office note regarding service of notice? Okay, you verify in place. Take it. On 12,
My lord, diplomat.
I'll pass the order after some time. Because office notes are not available on file.
All right.
Okay, my lord. This is in fact. Here I am in seeking for the implementation of the transfer order method. It's a very small matter, my lord. If my lord will say,
Alright, you were transferred to Itanagar,
yes, man.
but DC has not released it.
This has not released,
Ah.
and he has not specified any reasons for not implementing the transfer order. And my transfer order has been issued based on my representation because I have certain difficulties, physical as well as family difficulty. So my lord, may I pray, my lord, otherwise it would suffice if some instructions can be taken from the DC as to why instead of issuing notice, my lord.
Hmm?
Instead of issuing notice, my lord,
Hmm.
may I pray, my lord, let the common council, my lord, take instructions from the DC as to why
Where he is working now?
I am still posted at Tawang.
Tawang.
Yes, ma'am. And after the order was passed, my lord, there were certain works, my lord. In fact, the DC said earlier that you complete this works, then you will be released. I did those works, my lord. And now, in anticipation, my lord, after all those works, my lord, I have moved my baggage and to Itanagar, my lord. Now he says he will not release me, my lord.
Without getting the release order.
Yes, my lord. My grievance is only against the deputy commissioner, man. Without any reason, he is withholding my release.
Yes, so we can take instruction.
Huh?
Instruction.
How many days will be required?
At least 1 week.
Huh?
1 week.
Where the person will continue? At Pasighar?
Yes, my lord.
Huh?
My lord, Tawang, my lord.
Tawang?
Yes.
Oh, Pasighar, Tawang. He is presently working there.
Yes, my lord. I'm under transfer to Itanagar, my lord, but
Hmm.
the DC is not releasing. My transfer order is from August, my lord. Now September is gone by, October is there, my lord, but the DC is not. My transfer order is from I was issued transfer on 28 August. My lord.
You work for the government side.
Yes.
28 August, the transfer order was issued. Now September is over now, October is here. man.
Later some time may be allowed to dispose of. You file a representation.
Yes, I filed already I filed 2 representations. In fact,
Where are the copy of the representations?
one is at 21 and second is at 22. man.
21.
21 and 22. 22 would be the latest one. Man. Annexure 6. man.
You obtain instruction, then
Yes.
file affidavit. Without fail. When?
Let it be on my lord, this Friday or coming Monday.
Friday will be difficult.
Monday,
Too
my lord.
early. Huh?
Monday, my lord.
Next.
Yes, next Monday. my lord. Coming Monday.
Monday. So it's to enable your. You will get it. It's on Monday. So it's to enable the learned council. Your council or your designation,
Senior government.
senior government
Yes.
advocate. Senior government advocate. To enable
Will be
the
repeating
obtain-
only
Huh?
four.
Huh?
That's one of four. only.
Ah,
The rest.
you are important, you are relevant here.
Yes, my lord.
To obtain, enable him to obtain necessary instructions and file an affidavit on Monday.
I'll try.
Affidavit,
1 week
yes.
is still there.
It will be too early.
Too early.
My lord, let
Of
them
course,
take
he
instructions, my lord, and
from Tawang, na, Tawang district.
Tawang.
It will take 2 weeks time, I think.
my lord, let,
Give it. May not be possible, na.
because my lord,
Again, it will fail.
after next week, my lord, I am some personal difficulty from Tuesday, my lord. And then there is vacation. my lord. Let them take instructions, my lord, and your
On Tuesday.
dossier will decide, my
Tuesday?
no, my
Next,
lord, Monday, let it be on
Monday.
Monday, my lord, yes, my lord.
on Monday, human resource available. Enable him to file an affidavit in opposition, if any.
Only instruction.
You will file a affidavit. And who are others?
Others are the, my lord, land management, my lord. I have no grievance against, as such
Serve
against them.
notice?
Yes, my lord, I have served the copies, my lord. But otherwise
Notice
this,
served, notice
yes,
served.
my lord. Copies I have served, my lord.
Copy served.
Yes, my lord. And or
Where is the acknowledgement? Justice service.
no, my lord, this is coming up for motion. my
Copy
lord.
already served.
Copy is served, my lord. And the name of the council is also reflected otherwise, my lord.
None appears for the respondents number 1, 2, 3. On call.
All right.
May I please? Asif,
But two. Code number 2. Your matter will come up in code number 2. F2. Unlisted motion.
my lord, this is a case of denied promotion, my lord. My lord. Petitioner is, my lord, serving as junior teacher, my lord. Now the trained graduate teacher, my lord, redesignated as trained graduate teacher, my lord. And my lord, the petitioner was appointed in the year 2007, my lord. The lordship will find the appointment,
2007.
my lord. The appointment of the petitioner is, my lord will find.
How you were recruited in 2007?
2007, my lord, thorough, my lord,
Regular.
regular process, my lord. My lord, initially,
Posting or appointment?
my lord, it initially appointed as contractual teacher, thereafter
Yes, on
regularized,
contextual basis.
my lord. Thereafter regularized in the year 2007, my lord. The appointment order is at annexure, my lord, 1, page number, my lord, it starts from 14. Type copy is page number 16, my lord. Order copy, my lord. This is 31st March 2007, my lord. And name of the petitioner is at serial number, my lord, 8, page number 17, my lord. Page number 17, type copy, my lord.
7, na?
8, my lord. Page number 17, serial number 8, my lord. Lisa Boji,
Lisa Bozi.
my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the petitioner was also awarded, my lord, I'm sorry, my lord.
Then I feel come media. Then I feel. Then you were appointed in the year 2007
7, my lord.
on regular basis.
My lord.
Hmm.
Thereafter, my lord, the petitioner was also awarded certificate of excellence, my lord, page number 22, annexure 2, my lord. Certificate of excellence, my lord, given by the government, my lord, the own department, my lord. Page number 22, my lord, annexure 2. Thereafter, my lord, there was some vacancy. My lord, the next higher post is district adult education officer, my lord.
Hmm.
Accordingly, I applied for the, my lord, the first of the, my lord, the district adult education officer, my lord. And my name is at serial number, my lord, 14, annexer, my lord, 3, page number 23, my lord. My name is at serial number 14, my lord, Risabaji. Thereafter, my lord, I was expecting for the, my lord, the promotions to the next post, my lord, district adult education officer, my lord. But my lord, all of a sudden, my lord, the respondent authorities have given, my lord, the appointment to the private respondent.
Okay, where is the seniority list?
My lord, seniority list is not maintained. My lord, lordship will find the seniority list, my lord, the position where the seniority position has been clearly shown is at page number, my lord, page number 30, annexure 6, my lord. Of course, my lord, this is not a, my lord, but this is list of the, my lord, persons who were appointed as, my lord, the initial post, my lord, is given, my lord.
Notice
of the-
serve or not, Karu?
My lord.
Notice serve or not on the respondents? You were dependent.
Yes, department council,
My lord,
the Eastern Council, my lord.
Notice was received by my friend Ramon. That's right. In his absence, only I guess.
Hmm.
My lord,
On whose behalf? On behalf of the state,
all department, my lord.
all departments.
Sorry, all respondent except respondent number 5 and 6, 4 and 5, my lord, sorry.
4 and 5, they are private respondents.
Private respondent, my lord.
Hmm.
Name of the, my lord, private respondent is, my lord, at serial number. Lordship, may I take your lordship to the, again, page number 30, annexure 6, serial number, my lord, 14 and 15. Now present respondent number 4 and 5, my lord. Their initial date of appointment is, my lord, next column, 28 March 2008, my lord. After 1 year, my lord, my regularization. And the second is 24 March 2008. And whereas I am appointed in the year 2007, my lord. And their appointment order is at, my lord, the annexure, my lord, the impugn, which I have impugned in the writ petition is annexure 5, page number 27, my lord.
Hmm?
Private respondent numbers, my lord, appointment made, appointment, my lord, order, appointment order, my lord.
They are junior to you.
My lord, much junior to me. And my lord, the recruitment says, my lord, as per the recruitment, I have annexed at annexure 4, page number 25, my lord. What recruitment says, my lord? This is, my lord, in respect of district adult education officer recruitment rules 2009, my lord.
Hmm.
As per this recruitment, my lord, the serial number 4, column number 4, my lord, method of recruitment, age limit, my lord, other qualification, my lord, is at page number 26, my lord. Serial number, my lord, column number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, my lord. Method of recruitment, my lord. Whether by direct recruitment or by deputation or transfer the percentage of the vacancies to be filled up, my lord, it is 100% by transfer oblique postings from the senior most, my lord, the junior teacher of department possessing his degree of Bachelor of Education from a recognized institute, my lord. My lord, admittedly, I'm also qualified. They are also qualified. My lord, my only question is, my lord, this
Seniority was not given due consideration.
my lord,
Your
seniority,
seniority.
admittedly, my lord, their appointment is in the year 2008, whereas my appointment is in the year 2007, my lord. So therefore, my lord, this notice may be issued, my lord. In fact, my lord, I have prayed for the interim period also, my lord. That may be, my lord, interim period will be considered in the next, my lord, returnable date.
My lord,
But they are yet to appear, na, 4 and 5.
Yes, my lord.
yes, I'll be appearing, my lord, as per
Because
number.
once this relief is granted, then their service will be affected.
My lord.
Yes, my lord. And as per rules also, RR also, my lord, senior most, my lord. It is even the petitioner is not senior most, but that aspect we have to ascertain. Filing.
Okay, you file affidavit then?
My lord,
Affidavit file or not?
my lord, not my
Matter,
lord, it's
no?
for the first time.
Also. 3 weeks.
My lord,
Sir. Number is standing council education. 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. And it's a lot list. After 3 weeks. You take time. How is your career otherwise?
My lord, my career is,
8 years.
this year, my lord, everything good, my lord.
only
After
on
three-
perusal records only. It will be
Because of
ascertained.
that, some reason is there.
My lord, that's right.
All right.
My lord.
Everything will
And my lord, in
After
respect
3
of,
weeks, huh?
my lord, in respect of 4 and 5, my lord, steps will be taken, my lord.
Steps be taken for service of notice on respondents number 4 and 5.
My lord.
Justice service?
My lord, that's the service may not be possible, my lord, regular service.
Usual, my lord.
Yes.
Mm.
And my lord, the interim
By
period,
registered AD post.
my lord,
Interim will be considered only after receipt of this.
my lord, next returnable date, next returnable,
On the next day.
my lord, returnable date.
After 3 weeks.
My lord,
Deeply obliged.
Mm.
May it please your worship.
Mm.
My lord, I have a very limited prayer in this case. 2 representations are pending before the Deputy Commissioner, Upper Subansiri District. I am praying for disposal of that order.
There is dispute regarding the location of that college.
No, not exactly location regarding the naming. There is no dispute about the location.
Is there any difference in location?
No, not the,
In
location,
nomenclature.
but naming of the college.
Yes.
That's it.
Venue of the college.
Name-
What
name
we are
of the
saying,
college.
we are the persons who are the
Donated.
villagers of a particular village who has donated the village.
Mm.
Now you are putting on the official paper the name of some other village. All that is the only, we have submitted representation, but let that be considered by whichever way Deputy Commissioner says. If we are agreed, my lord, maybe we'll take other reports also. The representation is said, my lord,
Mm.
page number 33 and 34. Your lordship directed these 2 may be considered by the Deputy Commissioner and he passes an order, my lord, disposing these 2. First is a representation, the second one is in memorandum. my lord. It is the only prayer I make. I don't think you can have an objection.
Madam, what do you say? Madam,
Lordship, so far my understanding noticed,
you are representing the government.
yes, Lordship,
Deputy
Commissioner, Lordship.
Notice in such a case, my lord,
What was wrong with it?
no prejudice to anybody. my lord.
Lordship,
It will
name,
just-
name is also same, but then the spelling is different. The
No,
name
they have, yeah,
instead of,
yes.
Rimpu Yaro
Yeah.
of
And they
Zeram
have
Village.
Zeram village. We are distributing
Another is Rimpu Yolo
Yes.
of Petam
Patum
Village.
village.
Patum.
so Lordship,
So
I'll be need,
two
I'll be-
villages.
I'll be needing instruction, Lordship. What could be the reason why they are keeping this name and
No, no, what,
petitioners are pressing this other name? So
no, we are
Lordship,
not
there
on that.
Could be some reason, Lordship. So,
I am not on that. I have raised a grievance in a representation. The deputy commissioner as a
I
public
understand
authority has to consider that this way, that way. He may say, no, it is not Patum village, it may Jeram village. Let him dispose, my lord.
Hmm.
This
This
is the
you will
only thing.
consider,
Yes,
this you will consider.
Yeah.
Yes,
If
Lordship,
there
that
was
can be
any
opposed.
mistake
yes.
Yes.
in giving this, showing the name as
Jeram.
showing the location
Hmm.
as Rimpu Yolo
Yes.
or Patum village, you were
I am from of Patum village.
Ziram,
No, not Jeram. We are
Hmm.
disputing Jeram. my lord.
Patum village.
Let the deputy commissioner consider. He will pass an
Within
appropriate
1 month,
Lordship,
Yes.
within one,
within 1 month,
yes, Lordship, that's in.
order will pass the
My
for
lord.
consideration within 1 month.
Yes, my lord.
Hmm.
This page 33
We
representation.
will consider and dispose of.
Yes, my lord. And this 35 also, my lord. Oblige.
There, please, here, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, is highly aggrieved by my lord, acquisition of his land and the properties attached with the land, without following the, my lord, New Acquisition Act 2013. But the authority is saying that, my lord, since we have acquired the land under the June Land Regulation Act, my lord. So far the issue, my lord, whether the New Acquisition Act will be applicable for the acquisition of the land, that has been settled by the division bench of this honorable court, my lord. I have annexed the judgment. It says that, my lord, even if the acquisition has been done under the June Land Regulation Act, my lord, the principle for computing the reasonable compensation, that principle has to be followed as per the provision of the New Land Acquisition Act 2013, my lord. So, and my lord, similar matter, my lord, in respect of the same project, my lord, this honorable court has already directed, my lord, may I take to the, my lord, annexure 14, my lord, page number 138, my lord. My lord has got order, page number 138, my lord, 138. 138. Read petition 177/2017, my lord. So in respect of the, my lord, same project, my lord. One three eight, my lord. Operative portion, my lord, we will find page number 147, my lord. Paragraph 7, my lord. My lord. My lord, considering the, my lord, judgment rendered by the division bench of this honorable court, my lord, this judgment also pertain to the same project, my lord, but the petitioners are different here only, my lord, and their grievances was also that, my lord, that their land has to be acquired, they should be paid the compensation in terms of the New Land Acquisition Act 2013, my lord. My lord, I will just read the para 7, my lord. In view of the admitted position of law that in a land acquired by the state authorities in the state of Arunachal Pradesh, a reasonable compensation payable to the person from whom the land have been acquired has to be computed by taking recourse to the Act of 2013. And in the instant case, since there is no dispute that the petitioner's land was acquired under the regulation 1947, this writ petition is hereby disposed of with a direction to the respondent authorities to compute the compensation payable to the petitioners, including the solicium in accordance with the right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition rehabilitation 2013, and make payments thereafter such a determination so and so and so. So otherwise, my lord, my prayer is also to that limited extent only. At this stage, my lord, notice may be issued so that next date we can hear from there what is this.
Yes, respondent say.
My lord, at this stage, my lord, notice may be issued, my lord. It's all matter 2016, my lord, no issue. Notice may be issued at this.
Okay, issue notice. By registered any post or
My lord, here
By-
private parties, my lord, I think all the department only, my lord, I have to
Ah.
serve the extra copies only.
extra copy of the petition be furnished to the
Sir,
government council, na?
yes, my lord.
Government council representing the respondents number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I think 1 and 2.
My lord,
The Union of India, Katu,
Yes.
you are representing, you are
And-
present.
Le-
M Katu. Huh? You are representing 5 and 6, 7. Highway.
7 starting to Saikya Highway.
Second
1,
is
2, 4.
representing, no? 7.
My lord, I'll be only for 1 and respond number 4, 1 and 4, my lord.
1 and 4.
1 and
One
4,
and
Chief
four.
Secretary and Deputy Commissioner. my lord. The Secretary Land Management, Director Land Management, there is standing council.
They are standing council. no?
Standing
Yes, ma'am.
council, come to. I think I have served
They
the
are
copy.
present or not?
Today he is not present. I have served the
Okay,
copy.
you serve notice then
Yes,
to respondent number 2, 3.
I have served the copy to him
You
also.
have served already.
Yes, ma'am.
You have served.
Served. Yes, served, madam.
It is submitted and notice.
I can serve extra copy.
Have been served to the respondents numbers with entry, but none represents today on call. Extra copy to be served, no?
Yes, my lord.
Petitioner shall serve extra copy of the petition to the respective respondents. When within 2 days,
My lord,
within 2 days,
my lord.
please. Please do extra copy.
After 4 weeks, my lord,
Huh?
after 4 weeks.
After 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Means
Of like,
after 4 weeks.
Deeply ordered.
May I please? My lord, here I am challenging my termination from service.
You are
Without,
terminated.
yes, without following any procedure, not by the competent authority, my lord. All the procedures, my lord, that is being followed by the department.
Without holding DP.
Nothing, my lord. Because they did nothing, my lord. And in fact, the orders have been passed by the appellate authorities, my lord, not by the disciplinary authority, my lord. Here, my lord, the brief facts, my lord, that is that my father donated some land, my lord, for establishment of a school, my lord. So against that, my lord, and in fact, some at that time, my lord, some assurances were made, my lord, that alternate plots would be given, some government job or some contractual work. Nothing was done, my lord. So I, on behalf of my father, my lord, since my father is, I approached for fulfillment of those promises, my lord. But nothing happened. So, my lord, if you starting with my lord,
Herbal assurance, sir.
my lord,
Herbal assurance. Was there any written assurance?
no, my lord, no written.
Herbal.
Yes, ma'am. Nothing written, ma'am. That is the difficulty, ma'am. So, my lord, because of that, nothing was done. So I started submitting representation, my lord. Annex 1 and 2 series, my lord, those would be my
Page number?
page 29, my lord.
29.
Page 29, starting from there, I submitted numerous representations, my lord. 29, then
29.
yes, my lord. That is the first one, my lord. Here some works were going on, so I submitted. And then
29.
page 33, my lord.
Hmm.
Page 34, my lord. These are, my lord, some of the representations, my lord. I will not bother your lordship. So, my lord, in person, so then this meeting was held at page 35, if your lordship will come. This is by the school management committee, my lord. And page 35 is the minutes, my lord. 36. Married, my lord. Dated 26th
The
of,
relevant portion only.
yes, my lord. This was minutes of 26 October 2015, my lord. Now this was by the school management committee, my lord. If your lordship will come to 4th paragraph, my lord. After a marathon discussion, the House President unanimously resolved the following points. The House President accepted that Sri Pomineri, he is my father, my lord, father of the petitioner, my lord, and so is one of the members of the landowners of Government Upper Primary School, Esimoku Yegikom. Serial number 2, my lord. That Sri Pomin Ori donated his only land, no other land located.
You were son of the original donor.
Yes, my lord.
Hmm.
Number 2, my lord. That Sri Pomin Ori donated his only land, no other land at the village for the welfare of the village as a whole. 3. The House President also stressed that since Pomin Ori has donated his only land at GUPS Esimoku and he is not having any alternative land plot to cultivate agriculture and horticulture products to support his family. So all the panchayat leaders and Gaoburas must appeal the government of Arunachal Pradesh Deputy Commissioner so and so to appoint Minga Ori, my lord, is the petitioner, my lord, as a teacher who is having a MA BEd degree on compensatory ground. My lord. This was the decision taken by the village elders and the school management committee, my lord. Now, pursuant to this, my lord, applications are also submitted. If you also will come to page 38, my lord.
Hmm.
Page 38, annexer 4, my lord, and type
Odi is now alive, no?
alive, my lord. Page 38 is the, if you also will now come to page, subsequent
You
to
were
this,
son of Pomin,
Pomin, yes, my lord.
but Pomin is not party here.
No, my lord. My lord, this is related to my service only, my lord. So basic, these are the facts, my lord, which led to my appointment as a, in
Okay,
fact,
35,
yes.
page number,
38, my lord.
now
That,
38.
yes, my lord. 38, my lord, and it is not very legible, my lord. Page 39 is the typed copy, my lord. Annexer 4, my lord. Subsequent to those decisions, my lord, the Deputy Director of School Education, DDSE, my lord, Alo, he forwarded the application to the Director of Elementary Education, my lord. So and so, my lord, to the elementary so and so, forwarding of application in respect of so and so, MA BEd for appointment as teacher on land compensatory ground, my lord. Sir, I am forwarding herewith an application supported with necessary documents in respect of Sri Minga Ori, so and so, son of so and so, which has been received from the ASM so and so, come school management so and so, my lord, chairman of which is self-explanatory statement in seeking appointment of Sri so and so petitioner, my lord, MA BEd to the post of teacher on land compensatory ground. So, my lord, so the DDSC, my lord, writes to the director, my lord, of elementary.
He simply forwarded your representation.
Yes, yes. And my lord, in response to this, my lord, is the next page at page 40, my lord. Page 40, my lord, the director writes back, my lord, to the DDSC, my lord, forwarding of application in respect of so and so. I am directed to forward herewith an application received from so and so, along with other relevant documents for the post of clerical staff under your disposal in lieu of land donation, if post exists. So director also writes to the DDSC, if there is some post, since land donation, in lieu of the land donation, some clerical post you gave him. So what, nothing, and we continue to pursue, my lord. And at last, my lord, that I was appointed as basically as a clerk.
So, is there any document showing acknowledgement of the fact that your father donated the land? Any document directly or indirectly? Because
my lord,
originally
that,
there was no such agreement, no?
yes, my lord.
Only verbal assurance.
Yes, my lord. My lord, that minutes
Any
of meeting,
document?
that minutes of meeting, my lord, it was held by the school management committee, my
Is
lord.
there?
It says, my lord, that I have donated, my father has donated only land. My
Hmm.
lord, but be that as me, that is
All
only
right,
factual aspect, my lord. Then
respondents are represented. You are representing the respondents.
My lord, Education Department, my lord.
then my lord,
The question of fact,
oh, my lord.
question of fact, fact.
Correct, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. But subsequent to that, ma'am, now what my case is, my lord. I was appointed after all that, my lord. If your lordship come to page 45, my lord, I was given appointed as a clerical staff. Ma'am. Yes, if that is at page 45, my lord. And it was on the probation for 2 years, my lord. On that was on 10th March 2021, my lord, that order was, I was appointed, my lord, as a multitasking staff, my lord. So I joined on the same day itself, my lord. Now, surprisingly, my lord, if you lordship will come to page 48, my lord. 45 is my appointment order, my lord.
48, na?
Yes, 45 appointment order, and after
45, let me see the.
45, my lord.
45.
This
Appointment
GDSC
is subjected following by
yes,
election.
GDSC allow gave it pursuance of the government approval and so and so.
Gave appointed temporary to the post of multitasking staff. Temporary. Was for on probation for 2 years.
Yes, probation is for 2 years, ma'am.
There was any reason after giving 1 month notice. Did you receive any notice, advance notice?
My lord,
As per page number 45,
40.
condition number 1.
No, my lord, no, my lord, my probation period is already over. It was in the month of March, my lord.
Joining duty, he will have to take a note of all right, you were appointed by an appointment order dated 11 February 2021.
My lord.
But then
This was by the GDSC, my lord. Then accordingly, next page I joined, my lord. 46 is my joining letter, my lord. 10th March, my lord.
joining report
Yes,
on 3rd of March.
10th of March, my lord.
10,
10th of March, my lord. 2021, my lord.
entry after few days. All right. Now,
Yes, my lord. Then after that, my lord, this, if your lordship will come to page 48, my lord.
Mm.
This I received in the month of March 2023, man. Although so-called notice on the top it is written 26 August, but down below if your lordship would say signed by Autumn Tyang dated 15/2023, man.
it is shown as 26th of August 2022.
So 2022,
But signature with date
yes, so
15 to 2023.
yes, so this so-called was issued on 15th of February 2023 only, man.
Mm.
Now, if you also would see, my lord, this is the first so-called notice, my lord, to so and so, sir, madam, whereas it has been reported that you have been appointed as MTS PRT illegally without observing laid down established rules and procedures. Now therefore you are directed to explain your position in the so-called notice as to why disciplinary proceedings should not be initiated against you till date. Your explanation should reach to this director within 30 days from the receipt of this letter, else it shall be construed that you have nothing to explain in your defense, and disciplinary action shall be initiated against you for termination from service as per CCS rules 1965. This is the notice. Now, in response to this, my lord, I submitted my reply, my lord, at page 51, my lord. Basically, I've stated that this was how I have been appointed for against the donation of land, my lord. That is at page 51, my lord. I'll not bother your lordship. Then page 54 is again, my lord, a reminder. This, my reply is submitted on 15th of March, my lord. This reminder was again sent to me. This was 30 May 2023, my lord. Sir, madam, whereas you have been served so-called notice in connection with the appointment and so and so without observing as per lay down of establishment official procedure so and so. Whereas no reply of so-called notice was compiled and received in this eyes. Whereas once again, you are hereby directed to explain your position on the reply of so-called notice, and when the reply of so-called notice has not been complied to understand in time, otherwise then failing which your service shall be strengthened. In the regard, your so-called reply explanation should reach to this directed within 14 days from the date of issue of this notice. Further, failing to fulfillment and explanation in your defense within the valid period, an action shall be initiated against you as per CCS conduct rules. CCS, all along they say CCS rules, some disciplinary proceeding will be initiated. Now, in response to this, I again submitted my reply, reiterating all the facts. Now, after this, my lord, in the month of August, my lord, all of a sudden, my lord, I have been visited with the impugned order, my lord. There are basically two orders, my lord. The order I have received from the deputy director of DDSC Alo, my lord. But that deputy director of school education, DDSC, has merely communicated, my lord. That decision has been taken by the commissioner, my lord. It is at page 58, my lord. Page 58, my lord. Numbers on the
Serial number
dated.
9, no?
Yes, I am serial number 9. Dated 18 August, my lord. Whereas it has been brought to the notice of the competent authority that the following employees have been appointed, recruited without following proper procedure at the place of posting as mentioned in the table below. And whereas so-cause notice has been served to all the employees to submit their reply within a period of 30 days in support of their appointment as for the codal formalities. But the replies submitted by the following persons are found to be not satisfactory. Now, therefore, the regularization order of the following employees as given below is then cancelled with immediate effect. The Deputy Commissioner of West Siang District Alo may communicate the orders to these appointees. And basing on this order of the Commissioner, my lord, the DDSC Alo issued this order of 6th September 2023 at page 61. My lord. So, your lordships, in my lord, nothing, no procedure, my lord. All along they say that CCS rules, as per the CCS rules, disciplinary proceedings will be done, but nothing has been done. In fact, the orders have been passed not by the disciplinary authority, my lord. Now, Rule 11, my lord, of the CCS rules prescribes certain penalties, my lord, and that sub-rule 5 to 11 it provides for the major penalties, including termination of service, my lord. Rule 12 provides for the disciplinary authorities, my lord. And it is very clear, my lord. Here, the DDSC is the authority, my lord. I've annexed the
My lord, admittedly, the ground for his appointment is stated to be the compensatory ground, my lord. In service jurisprudence, my lord, followed in India as well as in Arunachal Pradesh, there is no provision or there is no rule for giving such appointment in compensatory ground, my lord. That itself is illegal, my lord. So on that ground, my lord, we cannot interfere this order, my lord. Your lordship, the actual ground on which this group of people has been terminated from their job is, my lord, the last last director of elementary education has made arbitrary illegal appointment throughout the state, my lord. Against which, my lord, even SIC investigation is going on, my lord. SIC, Special Investigation Cell, my lord, Arunachal Pradesh, my lord. That's why not only him, my lord. He is one of the such illegal appointees, my lord, given by the Director Elementary Education without approval from the competent authority, my lord. And to inform this honorable court, my lord, for making,
if you say that he was not legally appointed to the post,
my lord,
how he was allowed to draw salary?
my lord, that was known, my lord. Later, we realized, my lord, that the public executor is being illegally charged upon, my lord, without for an employee appointed without following due process of law, my lord. It has that emergent situation, my lord, warranted us to immediately cancel his terminate his regularization order, my lord, because an illegal appointee cannot be allowed to continuously charge upon the public executor, my lord, for his payment and all, my lord. That's why, my lord. And it is also a fact, my lord, the matter is being investigated into by the SIC, my lord, and even some officers from my department, some officers has also been arrested, my lord. It is a very big scam, my lord.
Service scam.
Yes, it is a very big scam, my lord. More than it is believed, my lord. It was in East Siang, my lord. More than 30 people were appointed. Those were also been terminated, my lord. And it is believed in other, this also part of the states also, my lord. This rampant appointment has been done, my lord, illegally. So we have initiated, my lord. We have even initiated disciplinary proceeding against that retired director, my lord, for this misconduct, my lord. And after retirement also, we are empowered to initiate this disciplinary proceeding against him up to 4 years, my lord. So even we are not allowing him, granting any pensionary benefit, still that, my lord. This is a matter.
Let you file affidavit.
We will file affidavit, my lord.
Hmm.
Yes, my lord. But
Let
we,
him file affidavit because case is something different. What I talk is not true.
my lord, your lordship, I would like
lord,
to,
My lord,
Legality
my
was
lord,
committed.
all those
Explain
submissions,
to him.
yes, ma'am.
Mm.
These are, my lord, not based on records. Ma'am. I at least ought to be given an opportunity. You say director has been arrested. I'm not concerned with that, my lord.
no,
There are so many
we have not
appointments.
arrested, my lord. Director has not
Yes.
been arrested, my lord. He is, I think,
Retired director.
my lord, he is
You're
somewhere,
concerned with the cause of the petitioner. only.
Yes, my lord.
This much.
My cause, my lord.
All right.
And
How many such persons are still continuing in service?
no,
In your
no,
department?
no, my lord.
No.
Whatever,
You
whatever,
filed an affidavit.
whatever information we get, my lord, we terminate that immediately, my lord. All of them, because we cannot allow we cannot allow any illegal appointee, my lord, to continue surging upon the public executor, my lord, illegally for his salaries and all, my lord. That's why this
Even-
emergency situation has warranted us to we terminate them, my lord.
All right, you file affidavit, let them opt in instruction.
My lord.
yes, my
Okay,
lord,
my
lord.
this same, my lord, but because
Because you are already terminated, no?
My lord.
my lord, but my lord, some procedure has to be followed,
Yes,
my lord.
that is there.
That is, my lord, just one paragraph, my lord. I'll not burden your lordship with my. All right, they say illegally done. So can the act also do this illegally, my lord? They say we'll follow the CCS rules. The CCS rules prescribes a proper procedure, my lord. Who is the authority? Who is the disciplinary authority? What is the procedure? Who is the appellate authority, my lord? If this order was passed by the GDAC, my lord, I could have even gone on appeal, my lord. That opportunity is also not there, my lord. That is how the illegality has been. You instituted disciplinary proceeding, my lord, if you really want to terminate, if you really feel that there has been some illegality, my lord. You cannot just issue a so-cause notice and say that, no, I'm not satisfied with the order or with your reply, so I'm terminating you, man. That is not the procedure, my lord. My lord, here, my lord, I'll just take.
What is the present status of inquiry?
My lord,
Present status. of
Present
the
status-
SIT investigation.
SIC.
Ah.
SIC investigation, my lord, actually, I am not connected to them, but we have been informed that it is going on, my lord. Accordingly, our officers are being arrested, my lord. Even my officers are this directorate and all. They raided, my lord. SIC raided, my lord. Seized lot of things. For that, this
Relevant, brother.
My lord, yes.
my lord.
Yeah, that is.
Just, my lord, I'll take
Just hearing.
it to page, paragraph, last paragraph, my lord. Only. This was also a case where it is about illegal appointment, my lord, without paragraph 27, my lord. In the case at hand, it is clear as crystal that on the basis of a complaint made by a member of the Legislative Assembly, an inquiry was directed to be held. It has been innocuously stated that the complaint was relating to illegal selection on the ground that the appellant did not possess the requisite qualification and was appointed to the post of chest therapist. The report that was submitted by the Cabinet Vigilance Department eloquently states about the conduct and character of the appellant. The stand taken in the counter affidavit indicates that the behavior of the appellant. It is also noticeable that the authorities after Malat will notice it. It is also noticeable that the authorities after issuing the notice to show cause and obtaining a reply from the delinquent employee did not supply the documents. Be that as it may, no regular inquiry was held and he was visited with the punishment of dismissal. It is well settled of law. If an ex parte inquiry is held behind the back of the delinquent employee, and there are stigmatic remarks that would constitute foundation and not the motive. Therefore, when the inquiry commences and thereafter without framing charges or without holding an inquiry, the delinquent employee was dismissed, definitely there is a clear violation of principles of natural justice. It cannot be equated. Not subsequently, it has been said. This termination order was said. Now my brother is saying lots of things, SIT. You supply me with those things, my lord.
No, I am not on there.
Yes, my lord.
Simply I am
So, my lord, this order, my lord, this is totally without any procedure, my lord. It's totally illegal, my lord.
How
And
many days will be required to file affidavit?
My lord, 4 weeks, my lord.
4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Till my lord, this my lord order may be stayed, my lord, that is matter, my lord. They will decide, my lord, whether,
You were already terminated, no?
no, well, it is last,
Now you
it's
are
not even,
out
no, my lord, it's not even 1 month, my lord.
3 weeks maximum.
Not, it is not even 1 month that
West Young
order was,
Mr.
the order was
Yes, the
communicated
this
to,
judgment.
my lord.
You have the force of this judgment, no?
Yes, my lord, so informal
Not Mr. D. So,
relief, my lord.
learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also, you were T. Zamo, no?
My lord, T. Jamo, for education
Learned
department.
Standing counsel, education department.
My lord, 1 to 4, my lord.
1 to 4.
My lord. And 5, my elder brother will represent, my lord.
5.
5 is
Hello.
more of a formal party, my lord.
T. Zamo 6. 4 weeks time. After training necessary instructions from the respondent department. At this stage, Mr. D. Soki suggests that the principle that has been laid in Ratnesh Kumar Chaudhary's case reported in 2015, volume 15, SCC 151. The petitioner was illegally terminated from service. And as submitted may be granted to practice right. So, Zamo, interim will
No, interim will be,
Considered.
it will be dangerous, my lord. If interim in
what
such,
dangerous?
my lord, Lord,
You have terminated him from service without inquiry.
My-
Simply
my-
that
my-
his
my-
appointment
my-
was
my lord.
illegal.
my lord,
Take
question,
your appointment.
your lordship,
Like-
question is, my lord,
Yes, my lord.
your lordship, question is whether he entered the service legally, my lord, through this acceptable, this selection process, my lord. No, my lord. Clearly, he is admitting, my lord, here his entry was illegal, my lord.
Well, interim
My
will
lord.
consider.
My lord,
after
my
2
lord,
weeks.
my lord, those facts, my lord, whether this is, I'm on the issue of law, my lord. My lord will see. You say you are illegally appointed, and I will also terminate you illegally, my lord. That cannot be the action of the state, my lord.
My lord,
I'm praying for some protection, my lord. Let them, my lord, they can dispose on the next date also, my lord, if they file it. But my lord will see, my lord.
Wait for 21 days. only.
My lord, because I am only a
Let them
cleric.
file affidavit so that the executive order can be passed. So, okay, you know it well.
I'm aware, my lord, but my lord will
Because
not.
you are now out of service. This is a
Yes,
problem.
no, my lord, it has been not even a month also, my. My lord will,
Few weeks.
this court will not perpetuate such illegal action of the state. Some interim, my lord, and then on the next date, my lord, it can be
All right,
disposed, my lord.
on the next date will be considered.
we will come out with instruction, my lord. Okay. All right.
Please, without failure.
Okay, my lord.
Jamo.
Okay, my lord.
Next. Okay.
Lordship, in this matter, instruction was called for. So I do not know whether they have come with instruction or
My lord,
not.
instruction, my lord, we are not with written instruction, but we have to be very clear, my lord. This, we have to admit this representation, we have received, my lord, that we have to admit, my lord. Representation we have received, my lord.
You have received the representation.
My lord, a complaint, my lord, we received, my lord,
Uh,
that we admit, my lord, and page 42, my lord.
Hmm.
Page 42, of course, we received, my
40?
lord. 42, my lord, we have received it.
Received.
So that's why it has been issued under through RTI, my lord. We have to accept this, my lord. And it is also a fact that we have not released him till that note because some extraordinary bereavement has befallen on the petitioner, my lord. Recently, his this elder brother expired, my lord.
Petitioner seller.
My lord, after his father also expired, my lord. So under this, on the backdrop of such extraordinary bereavement befalling on the petitioner, my lord, we have not released him still, my lord. That we are not giving effect to this transfer order, of course, my lord, but we have halted this release, my lord, only for that extraordinary bereavement ground, my lord.
So,
When you release him,
My lord,
your prayer is for release, no?
no, Lordship. I have
What is your prayer here?
prayer, Lordship, is to stay the impugn order.
Mm.
And
In the prayer, even transparent posting order.
yes, Lordship.
Mm.
So in fact, after children's education is over, that will be somewhere in March or April. Definitely,
Some guidelines are there, no?
yes, Lordship, 2
When
years.
there are school going children,
Yes.
in that case,
my lord,
income
those,
tax are allowed.
those guidelines are only applicable for children education, my lord, in our guideline, my lord.
Mm.
Those are actually for this, students studying our school, my lord, in our school, my lord. Not for other schools, my lord.
All right, then.
Government school, my lord.
I think if the interim relief is granted, they will not be affected. Till the return, till next.
My lord, status quo then, my lord.
Hmm?
Status quo, my lord.
Status quo means, Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
Status quo.
Still, I am on leave, Lordship.
Then you join?
The status quo will mean that remain on leave, Lordship.
No, not on that. Leave cannot be affected.
You are
by
on leave.
status, my lord.
I am still on leave.
On leave.
Yes,
He's
Lordship.
on leave, my lord.
Status quo,
No,
Lordship.
no, ante.
So that may be
Status
given
quo.
status quo till
First you join, then
Lordship.
you come back from.
Lordship, now there is no replacement also in my place. I'm there's no other party also in my transparent posting. I'm alone, Lordship. And then some rituals were also to be performed. So I'm at Bagra village, and my wife, she's at advanced stage, and within 2 months there will be delivery in the Itanagar, and the 2 children are here in Itanagar.
He is on leave only.
My lord.
He is on leave.
My lord.
That means he is working against that post.
My lord. Yes.
Leave is different.
My lord.
Then they stay over till the next day. Leave does not mean that he is out of service. It does not mean he is deemed to be in service.
My lord, but why the petitioner is so hell-bent for this stay order, my lord, when we are not releasing him at all, my lord?
It comes to same thing.
Status quo is, my lord.
Till next day.
Yes,
Status quo till next day, my lord.
yes,
Lord.
Lord.
Along. Status quo till next day. Your purpose is partly served. Till next day, after 3 weeks, I'll dictate the order.
Oblige, my lord.
Till the next day, status quo. Status quo till next day.
My lord, here, pleadings are completed, my lord. Pleadings are completed, my lord. Matter may be listed for the admission hearing, my lord.
For admission hearing,
My lord.
notice served.
My lord, all-
Parties are represented already.
Yes.
For admission hearing, next.
It's admission hearing only.
Today.
The matter is for admission hearing only. Otherwise, rule may be issued and matter is fixed for hearing.
Or both say issue rule. Release this matter. After 3 weeks,
No issues.
Any day, 3 weeks,
3 weeks.
issue rule. After 3 weeks.
Development.
Your pleadings are complete, my lord. May I pray that my matter may be admitted and fixed for hearing, my lord.
Hearing is.
My lord.
What is the last order? Petition deserves to be given in state, okay. The interim stay order granted by the order that is 16/11/2020 will continue.
It's only
List for hearing in
user
on its
court,
own turn.
my lord. Okay.
For admission hearing.
My lord, all these matters are of the same nature. So they're
Presenting respondent number 6. Respondent number 6. Notice served or not?
Yeah, 16. Oh,
Or
notice has been
respondent
served.
number 6. Notice served.
Yes.
Secretary
there.
Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India. Notice served. Who is appearing for the petitioners?
My,
Word.
yes.
Notice served or not?
Notice served on it.
You can represent, na? Oh. Okay. All right. Submit. For hearing.
My lord, this particular cases, my lord, these NIT was issued on 8/7/2013. That is in page number 15. And I'm in serial number 7.
15.
Page number 15, serial number 88. From Serbia came to Papa Road Construction, my lord. My lord, LOA was on page number 16 and agreement is on page number 17. And on page number 19, my lord, I have submitted completion report 33/2020.
Page number
19.
You submitted Meso Sono.
All the matters are, my lord, similar in nature, my lord. So if the matters, because it need not be heard separately, my lord. The basic question is same, my lord. So I mean, item number 17, my lord. This matter is already a covered case. Now, only thing that has to be seen is whether the respondents are denying the liabilities or not. We all are, my lord, seeking the undisputed bills that have been submitted before the authority that has to be released. And this has already been decided by this honorable court, man.
Yes.
Already decided, man. So the only question, but we are seeking only a similar order may be passed, man. That's the only thing we are.
Copy of similar order?
In my case, I have annexed.
I'm just, Lordship, I'm just.
There is no dispute, only the undisputed bills.
Yes, everything.
Directed to be.
The SIC has carried out investigation. They have found nothing against.
Contact you.
My lord, in item number 15, it is
All right. Yes, copy. Copy.
Yes. And in all these cases, direction have been issued to make the payment within the period of 1 month.
FA passed this order. This can be. This is one order, the payment of the fee. Whether the amount has been specified in each petition.
In all the petitions, all
And please show me in item number 16.
No, Malad, just a minute. What happened here is, Malad, when these matters we sought for disbursing of our pending bills, then the state respondent said there is an investigation regarding all these projects, East Command District, 12 projects. Now what happened thereafter, especially in item number 17, it has been pending since 2019 month. State respondent said there's an investigation regarding malpractices and all that. SIC was investigating the matter. Now, after a thorough investigation, the SIC has given clean sheet. Based on that, the government said we don't have any objection for releasing of that one. That is the case.
No, I want to see the figure.
Yes, that's some
figure. What is?
I'm summing up
Huh?
I'm just summing the matter, Your Lordship, one by one can see amount.
Figure and projects are different, but grounds of non-delivery payment.
This is undisputed, no?
Yes.
2 crore 70 lakhs.
My lord, annexure 7, page
No,
23.
in item number 16.
Amount is 2 crore 74 lakhs.
Is it disputed?
213.
Is it disputed?
No, it is not disputed, my lord.
Is it disputed?
No.
Not
Not disputed.
No.
This was sufficient. Not disputed. Other facts will come. I will see. 17 now. 17. P15.
Yes. In item number 17,
315.
item
This amount,
amount is 1,39 lakhs 33,715. Page 10, Your Lordship will find. And the amount is,
amount is 13 crores.
yes, ma'am.
Not disputed, no?
Yes, ma'am. Not disputed.
Not disputed.
The bill amount, Your Lordship will find at page 27.
Means there is no dispute at all, like a petitioner claim. Position is same in respect of other.
Otherwise, item 18, the amount is between 1 crore 48 lakhs.
Where item number
18.
322.
1 crore and 13 crore.
Item number 18, by the also they admitted in the.
Admitted.
But
322, 1 crore 48. How much?
1 crore 48 lakhs satisfied.
1 48. To release the earnest money. Regarding earnest money,
It should be released, but they release.
that's what I respond to release the amount of rupees on account. Unpaid.
Outstanding. Immediate outstanding.
Admitted outstanding.
What is the earnest money?
438. Four 38, 3 crores, sir. 3 crores, 4,54,057. What's the amount in item number? In WPC 438.
Before that, 342.
I think 19.
342. All right, 42.
This is 3 crore 46 lakhs 77,941. Page 38. 38. This government, the department won't bill.
3 crores 20 lakhs.
No, 48, 46 lakhs, page 38.
No, in 342.
Yes, madam. Page 38.
38. Pending bill of petitioner amounting to rupees 3 crores 20,77,095. Page number 20.
Yes, I'll just.
The WPC 342.
Prayer. Oh, yes, madam. Just.
Is there any dispute regarding this amount?
They have not verbally they have admitted it.
Lordship, I'm so sorry, 31, page 31. 31 is there. This, this including all the amount that is.
Your prayer is for release of undisputed pending bill of the petitioner amounting to rupees 3 crores 20,77,000. Is there any dispute regarding this amount? No dispute.
Page 31, the bill amount. 31.
No dispute.
31 is on bill amount. Fine.
So,
And Pete 438, madam. Amount is 3 crore 4,54,057.
No dispute. There is no dispute?
No.
No.
All right.
Yes, sir. Much obliged. Yes, sir.
You have to do.
Well, this review petition.
Is regarding that election.
That celebrity, celebrated judgment, how Lordship directed the state government to conduct the panchayat election.
Within 3 months.
Yes. On 20th December
It was,
2020.
Judgment I passed, I think, long ago.
2018.
Like-
Madam.
Judgment and
2018.
Yes.
1970.
Still, it is not held.
No, madam. They filed another extension order for 1 year.
Extension after extension, like
Extension
it is
Then
continued.
finally, by December 2020, the election was conducted. 20th December 2020, the election was conducted. So this has become infructuous. I for the
This has become infructuous. Election already held.
Lordship.
When held?
20th December 2020.
28 December
20.
2020.
Totaling 60 in here.
Election held. It is infructuous.
Infructuous.
Almost we took 4 days, my lord. While arguing that matter, we took 4 days.
After?
We took 4 days
Oh.
in arguing this matter. Nilay sir was there.
NN Dotto was there.
Yeah, Nilay sir was there.
Okay.
Grateful.
Infrastructure. Yeah, why I'm not doing it, I don't know. Name. Kititara only I know. It's not good. Infrastructure. We need to know years. List. Fields. List of the fields. Next.
But this can be disposed of very small. But this is basically, my lord, a plot of land was allotted to me at Anini. The number of the plot was 587. 587. And allotment order I have annexed one. My lord, this 587 is on the back side, and in the front, there another person was allotted. He had constructed, he started constructing without, I have no road. So now that is why various efforts were made to settle that issue, but it was not settled. Now I have identified number 784. It should be allotted to me. In fact, it was first proposed. Now, since they are not allotting me the 784, I have filed as the petitions. In the petitions, they have filed their affidavit. May just take your lawsuit to the affidavit filed by the government. Page 2, paragraph 2.
Who is representing respondent number 3 today?
No, he has never appeared.
Notice served.
Notice served. He knew it. Look at paragraph 2. In view of this paragraph 2, he will not be affected.
Achha.
May
But
just
still, it is listed for orders now. What he is stating in the affidavit.
Yeah, let us see the paragraph 2,
Also,
of the affidavit of position. Paragraph 2, page 2, May I read, that with regards to the statement made in paragraph 12 of the affidavit of position, there is a clerical mistake in which plot number 784 has been wrongly typed as plot number 584. That this additional
paragraph number, where from you reading?
This additional affidavit,
Additional
affidavit, paragraph 2,
additional affidavit, paragraph 2. That with regard to the statement made in paragraph 12 of the affidavit,
there is clerical mistake.
Which plot number 784 wrongly typed as plot number 584. That this additional is being filed to bring on record the correct statement which was produced by the respondent authority and the correct plot number B read as plot number 784.
In view of this statement, this petition may be disposed of, directing that as far this, let them make the mistake, let them correct the mistake and issue the allotment order indicating the plot number as 784.
Lordship, in this, the correction is regarding
only the plot number.
No, this para 5 of our affidavit main opposition. Affidavit in opposition, there we have written a clerical mistake. For that only this is brought to the notice. Our main affidavit, Lordship.
Your main affidavit.
Para 5 page.
This one is your main affidavit.
Page 2, para 5.
Page 2.
Yeah.
Page 2.
Para 5. That with regards to the statement made in para 3 of the resulting respondent begs to state that as per cadastral map of Anini Township, there is no approach road shown in between plot number 585 and 584 of Rohata, sir. there is no such road available.
There is
in
no
office.
such rules available in the office regarding the specimen which are produced by the petitioner.
So it is this it should have been 784, which is claimed by the petitioner.
Now in the additional affidavit,
It's error was
number 2, the two
There
there is clerical mistake.
this.
They are saying as far as the map.
Mahkamah Amdunani, according to the for the time, score 784 should remain one grade up already 784 put in the just repeat this. There is no correspondence on number 585
Case C584 पूरा episode block का
Is there any environment or document, etc., whereby it is shown that 784 was allotted in your favor?
No, madam.
Then how this correction can be ordered? Simply the record shows or the affidavit shows that there is no such plot number. Huh? Then if there was no such, there is no such plot number, then how the petitioner can get relief? If so, on what basis?
Lordship will our character may be that on main page number 9 Lordship.
Page number 9.
Page number 9. In Excel page number 9. Yeah.
But even the copy of the main application has not been furnished to me, and then it seems there might be something.
Oh, copy not yet to be furnished to you.
Let it be taken up day after tomorrow.
Few days, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Otherwise, my lord, in all this order,
but there must be some basis now.
It clearly indicates that 84 and was allotted.
Relying upon which you are claiming the relief.
Yes.
So what is that document? What is that document?
But I have annexed the.
All right, you take a copy, you furnish a copy to him.
All my records are based on the official records only.
On feed then. Day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow.
Furnish a copy of in opposition filed by the state.
Lordship.
To the learned new counts for the petitioner. In a course of the day, today, Lordship, list 5, 10. None of these. This content, my life. You were appearing for the petitioner.
Yes, sir. This is a contempt application for non-compliance of order dated 24/8/2021, 22. So as per the last order, they have to take instruction from the department.
Yes.
My lord, yes, I've obtained instruction, my lord.
Was the instruction in short?
My lord, instruction as to why this NOC, provisional NOC of 1 year's period has been granted, my lord, when the courses is for 5 years, my lord. This was basically basic instruction, my lord. So in this regard, my lord, my lord, you see at the last paragraph, second last paragraph, my lord, beginning, my lord, page 1, my lord. My lord, it was decided that in order to enable the education institution to get accreditation from
Third paragraph or second?
my lord, the last, my lord, second last paragraph, my lord, in the beginning, my lord, front page. My lord, it was
Stands in a manner or affects professional university on obtaining instruction as to whether a specific order has been made by the respondent authority. This is second paragraph.
my lord, second, last second paragraph. It is decided that in order to enable
Decided. Okay.
the bottom.
It was decided third paragraph.
Yes, third, my lord. My lord, last from bottom part, my lord.
All right, while considering the issue, it was decided that in absence of policy guidelines, the starting of integrated use of petty courses as in the acquisition on institution with the 4th September 2006. It was decided to provisional no certificate on
And
annual basis to any institute in the state of Arunachal Pradesh for courses related to university. Style, act, regulation, rules, and certain completed. Yes, temporary provision.
yes, my lord, because this, unless the institution is recognized by the Central Council of Research and Yoga, my lord. Now we are having no, we are even not issuing NOC to be renewed annually. Ultimately, is the Central Council Research in Yoga, my lord. Because once they recognize, my lord, we have nothing to do, my lord. Though since until and unless these authority, controlling authority is the Central Council for Research in
What
Yoga.
was the court of, what was the order of this court? What is the relevant order?
My lord will see at relevant order. Page 19 onward, my lord.
19.
19 of contempt petition, my lord. Relevant paragraph, my lord.
Is there private university?
Yes,
Your Lordship.
this is a private university.
Private university.
My lord, as per this direction, my lord, all it was to be considered by the authority whether this naturopathic and yogic science can be allowed to offer the courses in the state of Arunachal Pradesh by the education institute, my lord. So in this regard, my lord,
You file affidavit here, no?
my lord, yes, I filed affidavit, my lord.
So it can be-
We have adopted the guidance.
No action. Okay. University was granted.
Your Lordship, we have already received the approval from Central Council for Research in Yoga. The letter is on page number 17.
Well, let me see the order first.
Okay, Your Lordship. Yeah.
In decision was taken that the secretary has become state of address of the Claim communicated within 7 days. If we compare by taking. Yes,
my lord.
very strong order. Strong order was passed.
Yes, my lord, this aspect, my lord, after this order, my lord,
Have you referred this document in your affidavit?
my lord, we have, my lord, this recent, my lord, earlier, my lord, that the minute we have not enclosed, but so far the guideline part is concerned, my lord.
No, you have affidavit, no?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Have you referred to this document?
My lord, that part we have not referred, my lord.
You file additional then.
My lord, I'll file.
So like this.
My lord.
Good to enter the document. Madam. You were standing counsel for?
Department, Health and Family Welfare.
Department of Family Welfare. Then Mr. Tagam submits that while considering the issue involved in the instant petition, in a connected petition, WPC number 178 of 2022.
Yes.
It was decided by the authority that in absence of policy or the guidance for the starting of integrated Hugo and SRTs, such as INS, Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, but taking note of the guidelines for the acquisition of neuropathy institutions dated 4/9/2006, it was decided to issue only provisional objection certificate on annual means for it will remain for 1 year valid.
Yes, but it will renew year after following years.
To any institute in the state of Arunachal Pradesh for courses related to Hugo till such time Act, public regulations, rules, or guidelines are framed by the competent authority of the central government overseeing the Hugo discipline. In view of the above submission made by Mr. Tagam, referring to a letter issued by
Secretary Health and
by the Secretary, Director,
Secretary, my lord.
Secretary, Principal Secretary,
No, my lord, this is Secretary Health and
Secretary, and Family Welfare.
Yes, my lord.
Government of Arunachal Pradesh, and additional shall be filed in a period of 3 weeks, enclosing therewith the relevant instructions.
Deeply obliged.
Fine, Your Honor.
At least after 3 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Oh.
Passed by this honorable court. The
Who is filing? Executive by the respondent side. What modification is required?
Lordship, we have given our point. Lordship will see.
Vacate the order.
Lordship,
First in the this year, we placed for all right. What was the
Lordship,
order?
Lordship will, IA, page 11.
Page number 11.
There are three, these are the grounds, Lordship.
No, no, what is the order?
Lordship is at
Previous.
page 19. IA. Research for page 15, annexure 1, and the main things, the status, page 19. Lordship.
Against the respondent and for direction to set as a quality in order. Art cutting. By using the witness and carried out within the private and system. Under the What is the impugn order?
Impleadment, the main section.
My lord, the impugn order is page 22 of the main.
22.
Yes.
Lordship, our main grounds it's been placed in page 11 of our affidavit in opposition. There are three. There are three. One, Lordship, the petitioners have no length.
Page number 11.
11, Lordship. There are three.
Page number 11. Staying.
That they have no land certificate from to prove the ownership of the
For the certificate, it cannot be.
in the
This
petition.
involves merit of the petition.
Even the petitioner 1 to 4 are don't have any land in the area.
And 1, 4 and other no land.
And Lordship, point the work is
They are claiming that they are owner of the land.
and here we have just stated that 1 to 4
No, you were dismissing that.
and that 4 of them are not.
It cannot be. What do you say?
My lord, today we are on IA, my lord, but my prayer would be, my lord, this Mays may be listed after till such time, my lord, will maybe able to file.
All I did is file objection.
Lordship, if the project is not completed, now we have entrusted the tools and machineries. And if tools and machineries, Lordship, if they encourage.
You are aiming to be the owner of the land.
Lordship,
You are implementing this project.
and Lordship, we see that there is already a MC channel is already there. We are only upgrading it so that it can be made into a hydel project. And Lordship, and the villagers have already, they have stopped cultivating the land so that it could be, that we have also.
My lord, this is a particular.
Council, you see, basically you have this means the plea of ownership of the petitioners over the land.
Now, Lordship, that is just
You are disputing. You are disputing. So it cannot be vacated today.
And Lordship, another aspect is that if it is stopped, the prolonged stoppage of the work may escalate the cost. It's only 3 lakhs. And if it is escalated, it may be that we may have abandoned the project, which is not in interest, Lordship, point 2. And point 3, we have hired the machineries, tools and funds from us. We are, till now, we are paying it. We have to pay all the tools and machineries expenses. Then there will be nothing left for the team. That point, Lordship, already they just have consented that the project will augment the WRC cultivation in that area. So since 2 years, they have abandoned their cultivation in favor of development so that it can be constructed. Now they are also suffering, Lordship, the villagers.
This you.
My lord,
But, you file objection.
Yes.
You file objection because they are disputing the ownership of the land.
Yes. And my lord, even living aside the dispute over ownership, my lord, they have not even, my lord, followed the due process of law, my lord, before starting the work, my lord. No land acquisition and no even floating of tender, my lord.
No, Lordship, acquisition was not necessary because earlier.
Fine to your petition now.
Okay.
Fine to your petition.
Yes, my lord. On IM. On IA, my lord, they are seeking the vacation of this interim order, my lord, solely on the ground that.
By this interlocutory application, the petitioner, how many petitioners?
16, my lord, 16 of us.
Have prayed for modification, alteration, vacation of the order dated 26/6/2023. Passed in WPC number 284 of 2023. On the ground that staying of the operation of the impugn order number SHPD capital letters /EZ capital -14025/1/2023 dated 9/3/2023 in its order dated 23/6/2023 has been causing great loss to the implementing agency. Implementing agency. In view of the above, learned counsel for the petitioners seeks time to file objection. Upon hearing the learned counsel of both sides, it is noticed that the applicants have disputed the ownership of the land of the in ownership of the land of the applicant, of the respondents over the plot of land where the project has been implemented. Implementation of the project has been underway. This matter after 2 weeks,
Lordship, after a week.
after
My lord, in
2 weeks.
2 weeks it may not be possible because the petitioners are
Petitioner
far away
will
from
be there. So,
a
Lordship,
remote area of
it
Siang
will be
district.
taken up early.
Siang district, where hardly there is even my lord, mobile network. Also. So 3 weeks time may be granted. It will not. Yes.
21 days already, but no further extension will be granted.
Yes.
The interim order passed earlier will continue till for 21 days only. Without fail, huh?
Yes. Obliged.
Wait, the interlocutory application, my lord, is for impleadment of the institute, my lord. Interlocutory application is for impleadment, my lord.
For release the amount.
Impleadment, my lord.
Impleadment.
Impleadment,
Oh.
yes. My lord, we have filed a writ petition, that is 466/2023, where there are some certificate issued by a particular institution based at Ludhiana has been put to challenge. But inadvertently, my lord, the institution was not made a party. So I'm praying for impleadment of that institute.
Really, but were appearing here.
My lord, nobody needs to appear, my lord.
Because your grievance is against them.
Yes, lots of parties are there, but this is the institute that has issued the certificates. So he's a necessary party. Why don't we implement this? Institution of Civil Engineers in this page 1.
The has prayed for impleadment of the institution of civil engineers
My lord.
in within bracket India, comma Ludhiana, represented by its chairman, comma Career House, comma Bindra College, comma Model Town, comma near Tikuna Park, comma Ludhiana, Punjab, 141001 as
Respondent
party
number.
respondent number 12
My lord.
in the connected writ petition number writ petition within bracket C number 466 within bracket AP public 2023. Upon consideration of the awareness made in the application, the prayer stands allowed. So page number 6 be included as party respondent number 12 in WPC number WPC 466 AP 2022. Existence.
Your Lordship, I appear for the petitioners.
Registry to do the network. Registry will. What is this? 28. Right.
Yes.
Please.
Who is appearing for the petitioners?
My lord, I appeal to petition.
You are for respondent?
Petitioner.
You are for petitioners?
My lord, he is my colleague. He is my colleague.
I'm assisting him.
Oh, it's
He's a what a petitioner here.
My lord, I'm for respondent number 3, my lord. I was my lord, directed to bring instruction in this matter, my lord. So this is the instruction.
Yeah.
So department says, man, I'll just read, madam. It is informed you that the petitioners have already been given alternative accommodation at Lekhi Nahalang, comprising of 2 units per family with proper amenities, and no more government accommodation can be given to to them due to positive government quarters in the capital region. However, the affected families may claim HRA at 9% if in case they are not satisfied with the alternative accommodation. The case of allottees of E-sector Nahalganj is different from the present case. The alternative accommodation provided to the allottees for 1 year was given by IMC under Smart City project of Itanagar. The housing department has no such resources to provide them rented house.
You file affidavit? You file affidavit?
No, my lord. Because last time, my lord, last hearing, I was directed to bring
Not on
instruction.
order. This, you file an affidavit enclosed there with this document or any other document.
Yes.
Whatever is relevant.
That we can
Let
do.
them file affidavit.
My lord,
This, like this, the document cannot be entertained, no? Yes.
please, my lord, just one submission, my lord. There's a Supreme Court direction that we have to vacate before 31st of October in this case, my lord. So, my lord,
21st of
31st of October, 31st of this month.
31st of.
My lord, if it could maybe my lord, disposed of expeditiously, my lord.
Let them file their affidavit.
Please, my lord. Please, my lord.
Because last date is 31st of October.
Please,
My
my
lord, I think, I don't know. Yes, we'll try to make.
How many days will be required?
2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks.
Yes, my lord.
My lord, if it
Before
could
2 weeks,
be-
we'll file the affidavit.
I can only
15 days only. Today is 3rd of October, no?
Please, my lord.
There is sufficient time, don't worry.
My lord, then it may be
Can
listed a
we
final
fix
hearing
a
on that day.
particular date?
Give a,
Particular date?
give a date.
Please, my lord.
In the meantime,
My lord, according to the,
you will file your affidavit
within two weeks. My lord.
within 2
Sure,
weeks.
my lord.
And thereafter matter will be listed for hearing.
Please,
What's the particular date?
Fixed date.
Since he will be joining from the Delhi.
Let them get the date, my lord. We are here.
On 20.
Okay, right, 20.
20.
Yes, let it be 20.
Grateful, man.
On the 20th of October.
Please,
For hearing.
grateful, grateful,
For
man.
hearing.
Grateful, man.
Okay, all right.
May I please pass? My lord, this matter may be taken after 4 weeks, my lord. Why, my lord, this matter may be taken up
Let's pray
after
for
4
by
weeks.
the learned the council, this is matter 194. For what?
After 4 weeks for hearing, my lord. My lord, this case is covered by judgment of our honorable division
But who is
bench.
appearing for the respondent side?
Uh,
Yes, madam.
Actually, my lord, this matter, my lord, is covered by judgment of our division bench.
Is it?
Yes, my lord, and that division bench judgment is, my lord,
Covered
on
judgment?
appeal. Yes, my lord, under appeal before.
What's the matter?
On a matter is regarding land compensation, my lord. Land compensation, my lord.
Land compensation.
So yes, my lord, land compensation, my lord. My lord, the division bench
Affidavit
judgment.
file or not?
Already
Yes,
filed, my
Your
lord.
Lordship,
Pleadings
we
are
have filed
complete.
Yes, Your
affidavit.
Lordship, we have already filed our affidavit.
It is ready, my lord.
It is
But my
ready
lord,
matter.
problem is that, my lord, although this is a covered case, my lord, that judgment is under challenge before the honorable Supreme Court, my lord. That's why, my lord, I am submitting this matter may be
If
taken up.
it is under challenge before the honorable Supreme Court, will be
Yes.
difficult not to rely on that judgment.
Yes, my lord.
So you
That's
wait
why-
till a judgment is delivered by the honorable Supreme Court.
No, my lord.
SLP is entertained or not?
Entertained.
Admitted.
Admitted, my
Then there will be judgment.
My lord, it will, I think, the hearing was fixed for 26th of November, I think.
21st of
26th of November.
26th of November. You take a date thereafter.
Yes, madam,
Then there will be a
definitely.
judgment.
Yes, madam.
Yes, Your Lordship.
It is regarding acquisition,
Yes, madam. Acquisition, madam.
land acquisition.
Yes, madam.
All right, then it is submitted by the learning council for the petitioner that it is a covered case, but the judgment of the aforesaid covered case has been under challenge before the Honorable Supreme Court of India. And the next date is fixed on 26th of November.
November, if I'm not wrong.
In view of the above, let this matter be listed on 30. 30 will the copy will be available by that time on 30th of November.
My oblige.
You were still staying counsel or
No, I'm junior government advocate here. also.
junior government
Yes, sir.
advocate?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
5 years ago, you were junior advocate. Still junior.
Yes, sir. Let's see.
All right.
Lordship,
Hmm.
by order 24/5/2023 and 11/7/2023, records were called for. Whether that records have come or not.
Records are received or not?
My lord, records here, my lord,
Records are received.
my lord.
Hmm. By which order records were called for?
24/5/2023.
24/5/2023. 25. 24/5/2023. Scope of argument on the basis of discourse ordered as well as the affidavit filed by the deputy commissioner, Siam district, led the relevant records of disciplinary proceeding resulting in the termination of the prisons of the children by Mr. Ramon. Record received as per order dated 24/5/2023 has been produced.
It is with us, my
Mr.
lord.
Jamu.
No, my lord, it is with us, my lord. It is with us, my lord. When it was produced, my lord, another issue raised that day, that an affidavit should be filed by the deputy commissioner. my lord. That also has been complied, my lord. Now it is the record now.
It is the record, the affidavit is filed.
Affidavit is filed by.
We
When
have filed.
filed? It is here. Filed by- files on the- filed by-
Affidavit was required, Lordship, Honorable Court has called for whether I'm still in the service or not. And when
You were dismissed.
yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
And on the date of you were in service or not?
Lordship.
What is that?
Extension, Lordship, it's like this, Lordship.
Huh?
Lordship. Abhiyan. Their services are are extended from time to time. So in that context, the Honorable Court wanted to know at the time of dismissal from service, whether I was in service or not. That is it.
Sarvasaka scheme still going on, na?
Yes.
My lord, Sarva Shiksha scheme actually has ended, my lord. There is no more Sarva Shiksha. Now it is a integrated scheme of secondary school education. ISSE has taken this over it, my lord. SSA has been discontinued, my lord. And here, your lordship, defect,
This one is serious, na?
Very, very serious, Lordship.
your
Very, very
lordship,
serious.
Case.
my lord.
If it was true.
Yeah.
Lordship.
There was the question that your lordship has just raised. If she was no more in the service, then how she could have been dismissed? That was the pertinent question raised by your lordship, my lord. During
I'm
the,
not raising, he is raising.
yes, my lord. During those days, my lord, every year, a contractual, she is a contractual ISSC teacher, or this ISSC teacher, my lord. At those days, a contractual teacher has to apply for renewal every month, my lord, every year, yearly, my lord. Now, his renewal, my lord, was under consideration, my lord. His renewal was under consideration. Then this ugly incident took place, my lord. So his case was not renewed, and rather she was terminated, my lord.
Whether there is any judicial, this criminal proceeding?
Criminal proceeding is there, my lord. Criminal proceeding means even charge sheeted, my lord. Charge sheeted.
Charge sheet submitted.
Charge sheet, my lord, submitted.
His name is there.
My lord. Her name is there.
What is the present status of the criminal? Because just I'm inquiring, huh?
My lord, my lord.
Although this is a repetition.
My lord. Then we will have to find it out from this authority, my lord, then. The status of the criminal list.
As per this file,
my lord,
whether on the date of his dismissal he was in service or not.
No,
According to you, his service was not renewed.
Not renewed. Actually, it was to be considered, my lord. It was consideration for this renewal, my lord. It was going on. At the process, my lord, per case came, my lord. So Deputy Commissioner terminated her, my lord. Deputy Commissioner was the appointing authority, my lord.
Terminated? When? Why terminated? If he was not in service? He or she? Srimati.
See, my lord.
All
See, my
right.
lord.
If she was not in service, why she was then dismissed?
Actually, my lord, this dismissal order, my lord, it is of no use, my lord, because her case was not renewed, my lord. Her job was, contractual job was not renewed, my lord. Non-renewal itself finished everything, my lord.
Yes, madam, what do you say? She was, according to Jamo, she was not in service on the date of dismissal. If she was not in service, then why she was dismissed? And what basis? Huh?
There was some paper leakage, your lordship. Actually, here, what happened, your lordship?
You clarify the position. Is there any specific averment in the affidavit? Is there any specific averment regarding that?
Your lordship may come to para 9, your lordship, paragraph 9, your lordship, from our affidavit. Here, your lordship, petitioner had admitted that during the investigation carried out by the investigation agency and also statement record under section 164 of CRPC.
Her plea is that on the date of dismissal, she was in service. You were saying that she was not in service, but she was dismissed. What is this? You are repeating response number 3, no?
Yes, sir, lordship.
In paragraph number 9, with regard to the statement made in paragraph 11 of writ, the answering respondent denies the allegation that while the petitioner was found prima facie accused of the alleged involvement in a particular case of illicit examination. Thereafter, the petitioner was suspended. Government service by order number, date is not date 10/4/2018. Notice to the prison was also served the date 10/4 to explain why necessary decisions shall not be necessary the release of government duty, compromising with confidential facts and the processing case of the same. Criminal offenses and the investigation for education found as prime accused in case as per reports submitted by OC. The services of CMT was kept suspension. She was in service.
Yes, Your Lordship, he was in service that time.
What to do?
Oh, yeah, I have to
What
find it
to
out, Your Lordship, from the department.
And she has been added as an accused in the criminal proceeding.
But it was,
Based on that criminal proceeding, you proceeded against her, placed on the suspension.
but here, Your
And
Lordship,
then
after the police investigation, Your Lordship, report reveals that there is no leakage of question paper before the conduct of the written examination, Your Lordship. She has taken the
That is
unused.
different thing, no?
Yes, Your Lord.
It is different thing. You cannot mix up the criminal proceeding and this real proceeding.
From our affidavit, Your Lordship.
What to do?
Lordship,
Contradictions are there.
Lordship, facts are totally different, Lordship.
How
Lordship,
this question has arisen?
Honorable Court has directed, in fact,
Now, according to this affidavit, he
Lordship.
was in service.
yes, Lordship, I was in service. So, Lordship, if Lordship is ready for hearing, then Lordship, I may be excused because I'll be very slow, Lordship. I have some physical problem today. Now,
But question is this, you furnish a photocopy of this record to him.
yes, Lordship, I would like to see it.
Let him go to this record. Scan copy only. You go through this file.
Lordship,
You will, I'm sure you will find some relevant points from this file.
Lordship, Lordship, Lordship.
Otherwise, justice will be difficult to be ensured.
Lordship.
It is your file, no?
Your Lordship, actually, it is her file, but communicated to me or transmitted to me, my lord. This file has been transmitted to me, my lord. My lord, actually,
This is not a confidential record, no?
my lord,
There is nothing confidential.
order may be given, my lord.
Yes.
Order may be given, my lord. Your
both says.
my lord. Xerox copy, scan copy.
As required. The record of what? What is this?
Of the termination of the petition.
Proceeding.
25,
no? The relevant records of the disciplinary proceeding.
Not exactly disciplinary proceeding, my lord. Inquiry, my lord.
Inquiry.
Inquiry, my lord. Because there cannot be disciplinary proceeding, in fact, against this.
Okay, inquiry proceeding.
my lord.
Inquiry proceeding file of the petitioner has been produced. Upon hearing the learned counsel of both the sides, this court finds it expedient to direct the learned counsel, you are standing counsel, junior government advocates for appearing for the state,
Respondent number 3.
for the respondent number 3, to furnish a scanned copy of the proceeding be delivered to the learned counsel for the petitioner. Within 3 days.
Okay.
Will you be able to do?
Okay.
In Guwahati, on the same day it is possible. Even we have the system, no? Scanning system, we can do that. But here I think there is no network. My mobile is not working.
Sometimes no,
There was
no current.
total electricity failure last night. What to do? I go madam.
My lord,
Lordship,
this record will be retained by the court.
Next, there is
Registry-
maybe. Yeah.
No, you will furnish.
Okay.
I'm not retaining.
Next. Lordship, next step.
Return the record to the learned junior council, junior government advocate.
No, my lord, to me, my lord.
Standing counsel. Your Lordship.
Yes.
Standing council.
Yes, my lord.
Standing council,
My lord.
education.
My lord.
Then standing council education. You are producing this, no? Who is producing it?
Deputy Commissioner,
No, you are producing or she is producing?
I am producing it, my lord.
You are producing,
My lord,
then
I-
standing council education.
My lord.
Not junior. Return it. So,
Lordship, second week of November, Lordship.
huh?
Second week of November.
Second week. At least in the second week.
Uh,
You are not well today.
Lordship,
You are sweating.
yes, Lordship, I had,
Fever.
not Lordship, I had a deadly, thing that day. I was supposed to, I was on the, in fact, I left this honorable court to attend Budi Abung's swearing ceremony. Then I had a minor stroke. Okay. That's why I couldn't go there. That's it.
Okay, you take rest then.
Of course.
Take a longer date, the second week of November. Huh?
Of course.
Okay, no?
Can it be, Lordship, specific, 9th of November?
In the second week, give a date. In the second. Huh? 9.
8, 9.
Second week, fully you will recover by that time, no?
Lordship.
Huh?
Facts are with me, Lordship. Facts are with me.
Okay.